Hello everyone, welcome to MrITBabu channel. Today I want to show how to manually install WordPress CMS in our website. And now today not use any FTP software, just browser to working. And now first up, open browser and go to website URL. This website just use demo for tutorial purpose. Now fully blank this hosting. So go to website URL /cpanel. Okay, now need user and password. When you buy a hosting plan, then your hosting provider give a user and password. I already buy hosting. This is user and password. Now access my website cpanel. Yes, successfully redirect to cpanel, and we are cpanel homepage. Now this is a cpanel homepage. So now first work create a database. So now go to database section and choose MySQL database wizard. Then click a MySQL database wizard. And step 1, create a database. My MrITBabu underscore I use main. Then next step, and step 2, create a database user. I use MrITBabu underscore login, and need password. If you need a secure password, to password generator and advanced option, then symbol and length 15, then generate password. Yes, this is used, and I have copied the password, and create user. Okay, done. You have successfully created a MySQL user, and save place to database information like user and password. User MrITBabu underscore login, and copy and paste. Database name is paste. Okay, now all privilegization marked. Then next step. Okay, step 4, complete the task and return to home. Okay, now we are going to WordPress official website, wordpress.org. This is the WordPress official site, and get WordPress, and below to download WordPress 5.0.1. click and start automatically. Then go to cpanel and click file manager. Okay, go to public HTML, and this directory is empty. Now upload this section WordPress CMS software. We're waiting for download. Okay, done. And now go to show in folder, like it's download folder. So minimize, and this section to upload, and select WordPress and open. Okay, uploading done. So we are come back, and now reload this page, and we're showing this zip file. So extract. Now extract, click and extract files, and then close, and zip file now delete, permanently delete. Okay, and again we are show MrITBabu. Oh, suppose actually we are something wrong, so we're back to WordPress. and select all file, then move to public HTML directly. Okay, move and back, and this blank WordPress folder delete. Okay, now again to website MrITBabu.ml and enter. Okay, setup configuration for WordPress. So this is the language page, whose need your language, then select to continue. Like English I use, then database name, database username to let's go, and first need to database name, and this is copy and paste. Again user, copy, then paste, and password also need copy, then paste, and others database host and table prefix is not changed. Okay, done. And all right, Sparky, you need to made through the part of installation WordPress can now continue. Okay, welcome. Site title for this is site who is showing MrITBabu demo site. Username like anyone, MrITBabu, and password like a strong password. I copy to save place. Again WordPress, then user and password, then paste. Okay, now your email, I like this, and no need, actually this is indexing. Okay, and log into okay, now use this username and password like MrITBabu, and password copy, paste, and login. Okay, done. And we are going to dashboard, and suppose new site. Okay, ready for our WordPress website. Now going to dashboard and appearance to themes, to change themes. This is some theme. Now active this, and another one active. Now active this. Okay, refresh this page. Wow, again another one, refresh again. Wow, so gorgeous. So this is the tutorial for manually installation WordPress in your cPanel, actually not using FTP or another software. If you need more tutorial, please subscribe my channel, and also more knowledge, go to www.itbabu.com/knowledgebase. And thank you for watching.